What's going on, everybody? AYAMAYA, I suck at pronouncing these names, sent me this tent to go ahead and set up and give a quick tabletop review on. So, let's get it going. It comes in a nice bag by itself. Handles, got the clips. Now the nice thing with this bag is that the tent fits very well in the bag. It actually comes with an instruction manual.
Are you gonna read it?
I'll glance over it. Let's see how to set up. Take out the bag, pull it up, pull it over, pull it down. It doesn't actually say all that, but I'm just
Of course not.
My wife will come on over here. These people are never going to send me anything else to review for them.
Like, this is the tent. No, this is the tent. No, this is the tent.
All right, so let's lay her all out there. Get our poles. Here are the buses. All right. Okay, take the tent out of the bag. Done. Connect the poles together and put them through the holes. Okay, so let's do that. Dun, 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 dun. Pick today because today is a beautiful day here in Indiana.
It's a little bit cold.
Oh, she's crazy. It's almost 70 degrees, and then this weekend it's supposed to be like in the 30s. Ay, 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 ay. He's alive! Yeah, these people are never going to send me anything else.
This is what I deal with on a daily. Nope. Hey.
Hi.
Poking me.
Poking her. These are ridiculously long.
Yeah, they are.
Ugh. All right. I appear to have them all.
Well, those two aren't.
All right, let's go put this on. Oh, I see some blind man. Okay. So, baby, if you can come in over here.
Can I what?
If you can come in.
Okay, those two are crooked now.
Yeah, but it'll be okay. All right. This bad boy. See, bend over. Oh, no, wrong one. Hopefully you use the right one. Don't stab your wife in the face.
Yeah, maybe that would be helpful.
Okay. Put these bad boys on here. And then these go over here. Now it'll be interesting to see when I get this together. In theory, these things should slide where I need them to be tightened up. Because obviously, if you look down, you'll see that there's a whole lot of extra room at the bottom. So, everything sounds great, in theory. One last one. All right, so we've got those all in. So, I'll take this bad boy and shove it in the hole. I promise this is actually a lot easier than I'm making it look. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, we're back. You can do it one person. It just makes it easier. Why work harder when you work smarter and you grab your wife and she helps pull it in. All you're doing is you're bending it. If you look in right here, that's where your steaks will go through. And then it's nice and snug. It's a good size. Now, for size comparison, I'm 5'6" and about 240. So I'm short and I'm fat. Okay, where's my wife? There's my wife. I've got maybe 6 inches to my head and a few inches down the bottom. You can easily do 2 people in here. All right, let me get out. Whew, get myself. Could easily fit 2 people in there, very comfortable. Well, let's see if we can get the rainfly hooked up.
Where did those other sticks go, though?
What other sticks?
The ones that are poking right there?
That's what I'm gonna kind of...
Because they gotta go somewhere. They can't just poke out like that.
Well, so what I think they're for is to help spread that.
Maybe.
Spread the root. Yes. Yeah, I really...
Yeah, but look, they're like poking it. They're gonna poke a hole in it.
And see, let me throw this out. One, I really appreciate them sending me this. 2, this is why with my channel, I tell everybody, test your stuff before you use it. Because man, it would just stink if I was out in the woods trying to get this set up and had no idea. So let's take a look underneath here real quick. I literally think that you just tie these things on there.
Maybe. Well, I didn't know if maybe they went in like that red thing.
What, this thing?
No, this. That thing.
And see, that is why we have the wife. Everybody, that is why you have a wife who knows things. My God.
Well, because I'm just thinking if you leave it like that, it's eventually going to poke a hole in that roof thing. And then you're going to have rain leaking in the hole.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a really long one. If you've been following my channel at all, you know that I do dumb stuff and I have my wife to save my butt. If you're here because of this, check out my other videos. They're hilarious. You'll see that I mess up and she helps me all the time. But, yes, that is exactly what you're supposed to do with them. And it spreads out the top wider for you. And then all you do is you tag it. So it's got this little bit so that you can air it out. Not 100% on it.
Probably so you can get some air inside
But, yeah,
when it's closed.
Yeah.
And then you won't get water inside your...
Okay. Okay, so the other thing, you have more little hook thingamajig, get an extra retaining strap with the buckle. So I really appreciate the manufacturer sending me this. I'm sorry I'm a goofball. If you watch my videos, you know that's the way I am. I think this is going to be a great tent for definitely spring, summer, fall. Winter, maybe not so much. But who knows? Maybe I'll try it out in the winter. I've got some propane heaters and everything like that. And yeah, you got any questions? It comes with the guidelines already tied in there so you don't have to worry about losing those. And if you got any questions, please let me know. I'll leave a link down below to their eBay store, and I will talk to y'all here later.